Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to withdraw money from Robinhood app to bank account. So let's quickly dive into it. So one of the quickest way and the simple step-by-step guide for you to be able to withdraw money from your Robinhood app to your bank account is to open your Robinhood app on your mobile. Log in with your username and password, then tap the account icon, which is the personal icon at the bottom right, then select transfer. Tap transfer to your bank, choose the bank account you want to withdraw to, enter the amount you want to withdraw, review the details and tap submit. Your money will be sent to your account, and sometimes withdrawal usually takes between 1 to 3 business days to complete the pending transaction on your account, and that's how you can easily withdraw money from your Robinhood app to bank account. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.